Chiropractors, please stop wrapping straps around your patients' necks and yanking on it. This is not a form of chiropractic care. In fact, if your practice is struggling with things like patient retention, or you're frustrated personally because you know chiropractic care is capable of helping people in greater ways than just fixing their neck pain and their back pain and their sciatica, then one of the things that you can do is look at your language. Listen and do a self-assessment to the words that you do and that you interact with your patients on a day-to-day basis. Most of you are going to find yourself using terms like knots and muscle spasm and adhesions and tension. And if you change your language, then patients are going to start to become educated on what chiropractic care is all about. It is about the nervous system, the system that controls every single function of the body. So change your language, and that's going to change your practice.